If your 2008 Nissan Sentra air conditioning is blowing warm air, let's troubleshoot the most common causes in just a few minutes. Statistically, 70% of these AC issues are caused by minor refrigerant leaks or a simple relay failure. Before you visit a shop, we need to narrow down the problem systematically. Start by checking your fuses, listening for the compressor clutch click, and inspecting your serpentine belt for wear. Look closely at the AC clutch relay, refrigerant levels, or even a simple clogged cabin air filter. If those look fine, check the expansion valve, the condenser fan, or the pressure switch sensors. You can easily handle relays and filters yourself, but leave leak testing and compressor work to the professionals. Costs vary wildly, from a $20 relay to a major compressor replacement costing hundreds. Use a multimeter to check for power at the compressor, and always disconnect the battery before starting electrical testing. Keep a digital multimeter and manifold gauges in your kit to accurately track down these electrical or pressure-based failures. Always prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and never venting refrigerant into the atmosphere. If this helped you find the fault, like and subscribe for more Sentra repair guides.